Water has cohesive and adhesive properties. Because of their ability to form hydrogen bond with each other, cohesive forces are responsible for surface tension. Now, what is cohesive forces and surface tension? Cohesion or cohesive attraction, also known as cohesive force, is the attraction of property-like molecules sticking together being mutually attracted. Cohesive properties of water is highly cohesive. In fact, it is the highest of all non-metallic liquids. How about surface tension? Surface tension is the tendency of liquid surface to shrink into minimum surface area as possible. Surface tension is the same property that allows insects like water striders to stay up on top of water. Water also has adhesive properties that allows it to stick to substances other than itself. These are essential for fluid transport in many forms of life. Adhesion allows water molecules to stick to non-water molecules, which is a result in some common water behaviors. Adhesion allows for water to move against gravity through plant cells. Now, what is more dense? Water or ice? Water is less dense as a solid than a liquid. As a water freezes, its molecules form a crystalline structure that spaces the molecules further apart than in a liquid water. That's why the ice floats when it is put in a container with water. What do you think is the pH level of water? Well, in that case, water in pure state has a neutral pH, which means its pH level is 7. The pH of water is based on a substance or compound that is dissolved in it. So, what is it? Is it acidic or basic? It is neither. So, if you put a test with the litmus paper and this changes color, the water has been contaminated or has a dissolved substance in it. Now, property 9. Water molecules are the only substance on Earth that exists in all three physical matter, which is solid, liquid, and gas. The freezing of water molecules causes their mass to occupy a larger volume. Water is the only substance on this planet where the maximum density of its mass does not occur when it becomes solidified. Why is that? Well, like most things that floats, ice floats because it is less dense than a liquid water. Ice is approximately 9% less dense. When ice forms, it takes up about 9% more space than it did as a liquid. Lastly, the boiling point of water and all other liquids is dependent on the barometric pressure. In the ocean, near geothermal vents, which is the fissure on the seafloor, the geothermally heated water can reach temperature of hundreds of degrees and remain liquid. Isn't the boiling point of water is 10 or it's 100 degrees Celsius? Why is it not boiling then? Yes. Yes, the water's boiling point is 100 degrees, but it is in a small amount. That is in the sea or oceans or even in high mountains. As the altitude above the sea level increase, the boiling point of water decreases about 1 Fahrenheit for every 500 feet increase.